So I went fishing today, and I'm sitting there, and this truck pulls up. I'm looking at this truck, and all of a sudden, fish start coming out. Fish! Like hundreds of fish! So I said to myself, there's a fish god. There is a fish god. And he came to me today. And you want to know the most funniest thing about all of this? These fish were going right by me, just swimming by me. Can you believe that? Fish! There must have been 1,000 of them. Oh my God! Oh. And you want to know something? I didn't catch one damn fish. They all swam right by me. Oh my God! I must be cursed. I don't have any luck. Them fish swam right by me. I didn't catch one damn fish. Motto. I had fish fry. I was already eating that fish. I was gonna eat those fish tonight. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow and I'm gonna catch me some fish. So stay tuned till tomorrow. I'm gonna show you the fish I just caught. So for now, hasta la taco, and I'll catch you on the rebound on another day, like tomorrow.